Over the course of billions of years, through the process of evolution, things in this universe have evolved significantly. Energy has condensed into atoms, atoms have formed into molecules, molecules have joined together to form microorganisms, and groups of microorganisms have come together to form larger and more complex organisms. And on our planet, these organisms have grown and evolved to eventually create humans, the most advanced organism on Earth. And even from our humble beginnings as cavemen hundreds of thousands of years ago, humans have advanced so much since then that in the eyes of a Neanderthal, we would likely appear as gods, especially with the technology that we have now. But, what if we could go further? We have advanced considerably, but there are still limits to what we can experience. We are still mortals living in an unpredictable world that is somewhat out of our control. What if we could change that? In this video, we will go over the 3 levels of AI, and then we will describe the technological singularity. Watch until the end to see what the last level of AI means for humanity. Right now, huge strides are being made in the field of AI. When discussing the capabilities of an artificial intelligence, we can break AI into 3 levels of development. The first level, called artificial narrow intelligence, is what we currently have. Artificial narrow intelligences are good at performing specific tasks, and nowadays they are even better than humans at these specific tasks. A good example of an artificial narrow intelligence would be a computer opponent in chess. This is a good example because while the AI might be better than a human in chess, this is the only thing the AI knows how to do. Thus is the reason why we call this AI narrow. The second level of AI is called artificial general intelligence. This level of AI is good at performing a wide range of tasks, and can perform them as good, if not better than a human. This AI is usually regarded as being the AI equivalent to a human intelligence. It is believed that we will have successfully created the first artificial general intelligence by the end of the decade. The third and last level of AI is called artificial superintelligence. This level of AI would be perfect at performing any task. A true artificial superintelligence would learn exponentially. What this means is that as it learns, it will also learn how to learn faster and faster, creating a sort of snowball effect. It is thought that an ASI would be an infinite intelligence, an oracle of some sort. It might be able to answer any question we ask it, or compute any equation we give it. Some scientists and futurists have called the point at which we create a superintelligence the technological singularity. This is because after we create such a superintelligence, it would likely rapidly improve our civilization in almost no time. It is believed that once the superintelligence is created, technology and human knowledge will advance very quickly in an extremely small amount of time. Any superintelligence would likely be able to solve many of humanity's problems. It will likely aid in researching the most advanced medical and infrastructural technologies we have ever seen. The AI itself might be completely out of our control as well, for better or for worse. Theoretically, if we could create an AI so powerful that it could accurately simulate any scenario, and then link that AI with a human consciousness in a full immersion virtual reality program, could we have the power to experience anything we desire? Given our current technology and the ongoing strides in AI, neural link technology, and virtual reality, this may be possible in the near future. Such a thing would be the equivalent of heaven, as the user would be able to experience anything they can think of while the AI generates and processes the world. If such a system were created, what would it mean for humanity culturally? Only time will tell. It is unlikely that a superintelligence would physically harm us in any way, though the creation of a superintelligence would most certainly change our way of life in one way or another. Thank you for watching. If you're new to the channel, be sure to stick around for more content. Until next time.